So welcome back to today's video. We are continuing on with our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September, and this is actually our base box. Oh, my eyelash. So we are a little bit late to the Boxycharm unboxing series that I do here on my channel. I did do my Boxy Luxe here at the beginning of the month, so if you haven't checked that one out, I will have it in the card, but I'm also going to put it at the end of this video. I did receive my box while I was gone, and I did talk about this in my YouTube post, but if you didn't check it out, basically we had a death in the family, and we had to get up and just leave really quickly to go to the funeral, so that is the reason why my Boxycharm is getting unboxed a little bit later than normal. So we're going to go ahead and get starting into it. I hope you guys understand. For those of you guys that did know about it and you guys sent me all of your condolences, thank you so much. We're going to go ahead and get diving into this box. I did get my shipment facts, and this box weighs 1.2 pounds, and we're just going to go ahead and get diving into it. So this month's theme is called Glam Vibes Only, and the variation I have is number 46. I want to know down below if you guys have already received your box. Let me know down below if you guys got any of the same things I did. But the first thing I see here is by Phase Zero. This is the Blush and Blush and Bronzer Trio. So this retails for $42. Here you are. Very pretty. So there you have it. Go ahead and do some swatching. So here's the bronzer. It's a little light, but it's right there if you can see it on my hand. Coral shade. It's got a little reflectiveness of gold there. And then the last one is this matte baby doll pink. There you have it. You can't really see the bronzer on me, but the bronzer is right there. Next up I have is this little baggie. This is a Glam Paradise gold foil mask fused with cannabis. This here retails for $18. So this is its own face mask, and then you have the lip mask, and then you have an eye mask. So it's a set of 3. I also have this, which is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Eye Brightening Cream. This here retails for $45. I'm not going to open this because I actually do have this. A while back, Pharmacy sent me a little PR kit and this was included. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into a giveaway bundle. But I have been using it, and I can say that it's a very lightweight formula. I actually have very dry under eyes, so I like thicker formulas when it comes to eye creams. So usually I use that in the day, and then at night I go in with something a little bit thicker. So far that's what I've gotten out of this. Yes, I'm going to put that into a little giveaway bundle, which if you guys didn't know, I am hosting a giveaway here on my channel right now, which has like a bunch of makeup and some gift cards and stuff like that. So make sure to check that out. Again, end of the video, I'll put it there. We have some mascara. I've actually never tried mascara from this brand. This is by Laura Geller. This is the Lash Boss Bold. It's a volumizing brush with Vava volume for mega lashes. So that's what it looks like. And then on the back, you can see it's got some claims right here. And this here retails for $24. I really do like Laura Geller products. I actually own some Laura Geller blushes, like some of their baked blushes that I picked up at TJ Maxx, and they are fabulous. One of them is like almost like a plum, and it's beautiful during the fall time, which I'm getting ready to pull it out because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I need to play with it. The last thing I have in here is called Spanglish, and it is by Alamar Cosmetics. I have really enjoyed all of the products that I've gotten from Alamar Cosmetics. I really love her brush set that we got. I use it all the time. Her eyeshadow palette is really good. And I believe was it, I think lip gloss, a lip gloss that we got, or a liquid lipstick. I want to say it was like a lip gloss. But anywho, everything I've tried from Alamar Cosmetics has been fabulous. So there you have it. Oh my gosh, all these purples. Ooh, mine's a little broken. It's a little broken. The little orange one broke a little bit, but that's okay. It's still in the pan. But there you have it. Can you see that? There you go. Really, really pretty palette. So the first one I have is Pero Like. Oh my gosh. So there's that. Then we have Eres un Show. Her metallics are like super buttery. Tienes Swing. Wow, that's incredible. Oh, I could see this being like one of my favorite eyeshadows ever. So I Oi Cutie. I might be saying that wrong. Oh, it like kind of matches my shirt a little bit. Ha Ha Ha, which is like a brown. Then we've got Muy Excited. Nice orange there. And last one we have is Ponte Hyper, which is like this bright, intense pink. There you have all the shades, which are super pretty, you guys. Like, her metallic formula, I will say, even from her last palette that I played with, was phenomenal. Like, it's just super nice to like put it on the lid. It's super easy to work with and stuff. And even her matte formula is really pigmented, but it's also really easy to blend out, and it doesn't fade away as you like blend it out. So I'm interested to play around with this. I'm really digging these purples and these pinks in here. Definitely up my alley. I will say that I think I enjoyed this box way more than I enjoy Boxy Luxe. Is that weird? Like, ooh, usually it's the other way around, and I'm like, what the heck? Like, this box is so good. So just really quickly, I'm gonna go over prices. So the eye cream from Pharmacy is $45. The Alamar Cosmetics palette is $28. The blush and bronzer trio is $42. The mascara is $24. And then the Glam, what do they call it? Glam Paradise 3-piece mask set is $18. I'm just kind of shocked by it, but it's a really great box. I'm really pleased with it. I think it was definitely worth the value this month. I really like it. You guys let me know down below if you guys got the same box or anything similar, and if you guys are pleased with this month's box. Very excited to see what we have next month, but thank you all so much for total just word fart. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you guys have an enjoyable rest of the afternoon, evening, morning, whatever it is. Stay safe, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys soon. And make sure to check out these videos if you guys haven't, and I'll see you later. Bye.